Buying the wrong outdoor pizza oven can leave you with soggy crusts, uneven cooking, and a backyard investment you'll never use. Before you waste money on a dud, discover which ovens actually deliver that authentic, wood-fired flavor and restaurant quality results so that your pizza nights are always a hit. Links to the lowest price for each of the best outdoor pizza ovens are in the description box below. When you're searching for the ultimate outdoor pizza oven, the Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven immediately grabs your attention with its modern design and impressive versatility. This oven is engineered to deliver authentic, restaurant-quality results in your own backyard, reaching temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit that allow you to bake true Neapolitan-style pizzas in as little as 3 minutes. The high maximum temperature means you can achieve that perfect crispy yet chewy crust and beautifully blistered toppings, recreating the artisanal pizza experience without ever leaving home. One of the standout features you'll appreciate is the oven's precise temperature control. With multiple heat settings, you can easily switch between different pizza styles, from classic Neapolitan to New York or even deep dish. This flexibility isn't just limited to pizza. Thanks to its 5-in-1 functionality, you can also roast meats, bake bread, or even grill vegetables, making the Ninja Artisan a true outdoor culinary powerhouse. The intuitive control panel ensures you have full command over your cooking, allowing you to experiment with recipes and consistently achieve the results you want. The thoughtful design extends to its portability and ease of use. The Ninja Artisan Outdoor Pizza Oven is compact and lightweight, enough to move around your patio or take on the road for tailgates and gatherings, yet sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Setup is straightforward, and the oven heats up rapidly, so you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying fresh, hot pizza. The included pizza stone and peel are high quality, ensuring your dough cooks evenly and slides in and out with ease, while the oven's insulated body helps maintain consistent heat throughout the cooking process. What truly sets this oven apart is the way it brings people together. The speed and consistency of the oven mean you can serve delicious, piping hot pizzas one after another, keeping everyone satisfied and engaged. It's a combination of performance, versatility, and user-friendly design that makes outdoor cooking not just easy, but genuinely enjoyable. Next up, we have the popular Karu multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven, which is a favorite among pizza enthusiasts and frequently tops the list as the best outdoor pizza oven for those who crave both authenticity and flexibility. With the ability to use wood, charcoal, or gas with an optional attachment, the Karu lets you tailor your cooking experience to suit your preferences and the occasion. Its robust stainless steel construction and compact portable design make it ideal for backyard gatherings, camping trips, or any outdoor adventure where great pizza is a must. When you fire up the Karu, you'll be amazed at how quickly it reaches temperatures up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to cook true Neapolitan-style pizzas in just 60 seconds. This high heat is essential for achieving the signature leopard-spotted crust and perfectly melted toppings that define the best pizza oven for home use. The thick cordierite stone baking board retains and distributes heat evenly, ensuring each pizza is cooked to perfection from edge to center. The Karu's design emphasizes convenience and performance. Its chimney draws out excess moisture and smoke, producing a crispier crust and enhancing the classic wood-fired flavor. The oven's lightweight build and foldable legs mean you can set it up almost anywhere, transforming any outdoor space into a pizzeria. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to its efficient ash management system and removable components. Using the Karu, you can expect a truly immersive pizza-making experience. It's a top pick in pizza oven reviews for its combination of portability, versatility, and authentic results. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or just starting your journey, the Karu stands out as one of the best backyard pizza ovens, giving you the tools to create unforgettable pizzas at home and beyond. Moving on, we have the Crew Oven Model 32, which brings together old-world craftsmanship and modern engineering, offering a wood and charcoal-fueled oven that's built for versatility and durability. Crafted from insulated dual-walled ANSI 304 stainless steel, the Crew 32 is designed for serious pizza lovers who want an oven that can handle everything from traditional pies to artisan breads, roasted meats, and vegetables. The 11.8-inch oven opening and spacious cooking surface give you the freedom to experiment with different cooking techniques, making it one of the best pizza ovens for home chefs who value creativity. One of the key benefits of the Crew 32 is its exceptional heat retention and distribution. The oven heats up rapidly, allowing you to reach and maintain the high temperatures needed for authentic, crispy pizzas. The removable ash pan makes cleanup easy, while the oven's modular design enhances portability and storage, so you can take your pizza parties on the go or easily stow the oven when not in use. The sturdy construction and handcrafted details ensure that this oven will be a centerpiece in your backyard for years to come. You'll find the Crew 32 remarkably user-friendly, even if you're new to wood-fired cooking. The adjustable airflow and large oven opening provide precise control over temperature and cooking style, enabling you to bake, roast, or grill with confidence. The oven's versatility extends beyond pizza, making it a valuable addition to any outdoor kitchen setup. With the Crew Oven Model 32, you can expect professional-grade results and the joy of hands-on wood-fired cooking. Its robust build, thoughtful features, and adaptability have earned it high marks in pizza oven reviews, solidifying its reputation as one of the best outdoor pizza ovens for those who appreciate both tradition and innovation. Next up, we have the Empava Dual Fuel Pizza Oven Outdoor PG03, which is a testament to modern versatility, combining the convenience of gas with the tradition of wood-fired cooking. This oven is designed for those who want the flexibility to switch between fuels, ensuring you can always create the best pizza possible, regardless of wood availability. With the ability to reach temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and cook pizzas in as little as 90 seconds, the Empava PG03 is a strong contender for the best home pizza oven, especially for families and entertainers who value speed and adaptability. The oven's two-layer thicker dome and cook surface, complete with an additional brick tile layer, maximize heat retention and efficiency. This not only speeds up cooking times, but also locks in over 90% of the nutrients in your ingredients, resulting in pizzas with crispier crusts and vibrant, fresh flavors. The spacious cooking area can accommodate up to 3 7-inch pizzas simultaneously, making it ideal for gatherings and parties where everyone wants their own custom creation. You'll appreciate the Empava PG03's versatility beyond pizza. It functions as a mini outdoor kitchen, capable of baking bread, grilling, broiling, and even smoking, expanding your culinary repertoire and making it a standout in these pizza oven reviews. Plus, the full-scale installation ensures consistent performance, while the easy-to-use controls and quick preheat times mean you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious food. With the Empava Dual Fuel Pizza Oven, you can expect reliable, restaurant-quality results in your own backyard. Its dual fuel capability, efficient design, and multi-purpose functionality make it a top choice for anyone seeking the best backyard pizza oven that adapts to every occasion. Finally, if you just want to buy the best outdoor pizza oven, then the Fontana Forni Mangiafuoco wood oven is the epitome of authentic Italian craftsmanship, bringing the tradition of Neapolitan pizza making to your home with unparalleled performance and style. Handcrafted by artisans in Naples, this oven features a unique cooking chamber design that ensures even heat distribution and avoids hot spots, guaranteeing perfectly cooked pizzas every time. The electro-galvanized and powder-coated exterior provides exceptional corrosion resistance, while the 12 centimeters of insulation surrounding the chamber maximizes heat retention and energy efficiency, consuming up to 5 times less wood than traditional ceramic ovens. Inside, you'll find Saputo stones made from alluvial clay, renowned for their optimal heat retention and moisture absorption. These stones allow you to bake pizzas at 850 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 90 seconds without burning the bottom, producing a crispy golden crust that rivals the best pizzerias. The oven's spacious interior can accommodate 3 10-inch pizzas or 2 12-inch pizzas at once, making it perfect for entertaining and large family gatherings. The stainless steel damper control gives you precise command over temperature, ensuring maximum heat retention and consistent results. The Mangiafuoco's versatility extends far beyond pizza. You can roast meats, bake bread, grill vegetables, and even prepare desserts, making it a true centerpiece for any outdoor kitchen. The oven is certified for a 1-inch clearance to combustibles, so you can safely install it in tighter spaces without worry. Included accessories such as the oven door, wood holder, cooking stones, heat-resistant glove, and fire poker hook provide everything you need to get started. When you use the Fontana Forni Mangiafuoco wood oven, you're investing in the best outdoor pizza oven experience with the authenticity and quality that only comes from traditional Italian design and materials. It's a frequent highlight in pizza oven reviews for its performance, durability, and ability to deliver the best pizza oven for home use. Expect nothing less than extraordinary results and a lifetime of memorable meals in your backyard. Whether you're searching for the best backyard pizza oven, the best pizza oven for home use, or simply want to see how the top contenders stack up in various pizza oven reviews, these ovens each offer unique advantages. From the speed and versatility of the Ninja Woodfire, to the portability and high heat performance of the Ooni Karu, to the artisanal craftsmanship of the Fontana Forni Mangiafuoco, you'll find an option that fits your style, space, and passion for pizza. Links to each product are in the description box below.